SCM impact is not the is not the book to help the children to pass. It is the question of the help the children to gain knowledge, and with once they can get the knowledge, they will surely impact in the pass percentage of the children. Any error which detected, it is responsible of the government, responsible of a publisher, responsible of the board which prescribe the book to take a corrective measure then and there. So since the information you are giving to me just now, I learned from that, I will take a prompt action that whatever error which is there should be corrected, because uh, any knowledge which are impart to the children, it should be true, it should be not false, or there should be no error at all.